Wheezing can be a normal, healthy response to an unhealthy environment.
I'm going to convince her to give me her real name. So, what's wrong?
For some reason, I decide.
Just kidding. I'm just kidding, you guys. I'm just kidding.
Is it him? Here in my garage, just bought my new Lamborghini here.
Good half.
Good half. What's that mean? What? We're off to a great start. Good half. Louis' head. Louis! Do the stanky leg! Oh my god! Louis can't fall! Louis can't fall!
I'm fucking jogging. Oh fuck!
I can't handle this. No, look at this one. You look like Bobby from Lizard Lick.
He's gonna think that there was an incident here.